Okay guys, this is Henry here again. I did this I'm doing this video rather purposely for those who have been asking questions like, is it possible to start an account with as little as $30, $20, $50 and make up to $100 a day as profits. So I'm doing this video just for a proof. Now if you check below here, you see deposits. I deposited 36.41 USD, which is equivalent to 14,000 naira. I deposited 14,000 naira. That is 36.41 USD. Look at the profit I made. 110.06 profit. Now my balance altogether is 146.47. Now this is the trade I traded just today. Look at 2020 12 10 03 blah blah blah. That's the time and everything. So now this is the 10th of December 2020. Now look at, just watch, these are the trades that I traded that got me this amount. So is it possible to start an account with as little as $30 and make up to $100 in a trade? Yes, it's very, very possible. And there is still time, man. As you can see from the screen at your top left, this is still 10:29. Still 10:29 p.m. I'm still going to trade, and my target is to get to $200 and above, and I'm going to hit it. So I started with 36 and look at where it is right now. So guys, don't let anybody deceive you. Join the VIP group and get perfect signals. Believe you me, no matter the amount you're starting with, there's 100% assurance that you will grow your account. Thank you guys.